Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another mod to my 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Here it is. And guess what the mod is? Skid plate. You see this little dinky guy right here? This guy right here? That little tin flimsy thing? It's not gonna look like that anymore. Now let's put on the new one. Or let's see the new one. To this right here, the new TRD Pro skid plate. Now let's do the video. Now once you take the 2 back bolts out, they're 12s, it'll fall down a little bit on the back, and that's when you just take it and wash it out, because it will fall down. But it's held in by 2 of these clamps right here. So let's loosen the other side up. Alright, now when all 4 bolts are out, it's gonna do this. So all you do is just pick it up from the back and push it out. And you can see where it's connected. You just pull these little tabs just like this, and here it comes. Oh my god, look at the back. Yeah, it's been repainted. It's already been scratched up from my Utah trip. Took a couple trails. So yeah, we're you see this, guys? Yeah, that we're gonna, well, I'll put that in the back of the bed in a second. Actually, hold on, I'll show you guys how flimsy this thing is. I'll stand on it, and I just bent it. Now it's nice that it does actually bounce back, but you can see that's bent. This it does a good job, guys. If you're not hardcore off-roading, just remember that. No, if you hardcore off-road, yeah, don't use that skid plate. It's a death sentence. And here's the skid plate, fat TRD skid plate. Now I like these because they are really nice. They look amazing. That's probably one of the coolest reasons. Number 2, they're aluminum. I want to stay light but go a lot more protected. Number 3, RCI makes adapter skid plates for the rest, so transfer case and all them, and you know, we're gonna be going with RCI. It just, you can't beat this. I mean, look at this thing. Look how thick this is too. Oh, fuck, this thing is just mental. Now, I hope I could put this on out here. I came out here for peace and quiet and maybe some elevation. I'm gonna get dirty. Oh, I'm gonna get dirty. It's all done, guys. Took a lot longer than I thought. That's what it looks like now. It looks absolutely amazing. Covers the entire engine too. I had to remove the drip line from the AC, so that's why it took a little harder, and I fucked up on some of the bolts that you have to do. But there's literally 4 bolts that's holding it in. This one under the cross member, the skid plate cross member, the really last ones, and then 2 on the engine mount, basically. And that sucker's heavy, guys. It's probably 60-70 pounds, that skid plate. So time to pack it up and go home. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you want. Catch you guys next time. Peace. Have a good one.